Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is involved in body functions, including the functioning of the immune system. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient which acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants help fight free radicals, a molecule known to damage the immune system. Click's Expert's formulation vitamin C is formulated at 1000 milligrams, which is the daily recommended dose for adults. It is slow release, meaning that the vitamin C is gradually released over several hours, as your body cannot absorb all at once. Vitamin C is water-soluble vitamin, and any excess is usually excreted in the urine. Click's Expert formulations are premium quality, developed by pharmacists and are tested, so they can be trusted.